Hey there, traders. This is Shane again. I just want to go back and take a look at the setups that I had talked about in yesterday's video regarding the 3 SMA strategy. And as you remember, if you remember, if not, the video is still available on my blog. And we're looking at 2 trades. One was the Aussie US and one was the Euro US dollar, and they both had set up on the 1-hour chart. Let's just see how things are progressing. And yesterday we talked a bit about managing trades. So let's just take a quick look at the Aussie US, and then we'll check out the Euro US. And then I got something else on this video I just want to show you. Just to go into quick detail, because it also was in the other video. We had a pullback, dynamic area support and resistance. We had a few confluences in this area where we were interested in taking trades. And eventually what happened, we got our hour and we had a trend line going south. And what we were waiting for was a break above and a pullback. And as soon as it breaks above, what you do is you drop down to a lower time frame. And if you're trading the 1-hour chart, you go to the 15-minute chart. And over in the 15-minute chart, let me just find it here. Let me just do a little bit of scrolling. Oh, there we go. We had some pullbacks here. Now, in a perfect world, our pullback's going to come back to here. All right. But for this example here, and these are hypothetical trades. I didn't take these trades as I walked through it. And this is a strategy I picked up back in 2008 and just kind of sat on the shelf. Anyhow, so the high of these candles was 85.90 area. Right above that, we have our round number of 8,600. So in the previous video, I said, hypothetical long at 86.03. Now I say hypothetical because I didn't take these trades. I don't just jump into a strategy, but it doesn't take away from the fact of how these trades played out. And in a previous video, you saw ones that traveled like 150, 160 pips, and it's pretty impressive. Anyway, so we got in about 86.03 in our hypothetical trade, and the whole plan is to scale out a portion of the trade when you get to the previous swing level. Now, I had spoke about we were like 6-7 pips away from this target, and perhaps you would just market it out. And if you did that, it was in this area right here, you would have banked, it was like 50 odd pips. And then your stop would have gone to break even. And well, you can see right here, you would have got taken out. So your first half would have made money and your second half would have been break even. Had to pause this video. I had a important phone call to take here. Anyways, so what we talked about is you would have got stopped out break even on your second portion. So you made money and then you made nothing. But the other way to trade this is just you put them into the your trading platform, your targets, and your first target is going to be the swing high. And if you would just let that play itself out, we're going to use this as our entry price of 86.03. You just banked 64 pips on this little spike up that happened today. Now our second portion of the trade is going to be a bigger target, and we're not even close to it yet. And simply what that is just a measured move of the previous swing level. So this previous swing level, looking at 230 odd pips. So that'd be the ultimate level. You could also, if you want to be a bit more conservative, just take where we had the little market pause right here. You're looking at 122 pips, 123 pips. And then what you would do is you would just measure that out, put it on the swing. Now, this is a very small target, all right? Well, it doesn't even get you up to here. So you're obviously going to want to go for the swing here as well. So in the Aussie US trade, if you didn't manage it here, you didn't, wait, and you just market it out, you made 50 odd pips and then break even, nothing. If you waited here, you made a few more pips and you're at break even right now, so it's a risk-free trade. So pure price action type of trading right here. Let me just take a quick look at the Euro US dollar, because that was another setup that we had. All right, and here's the Euro US dollar. And, here's that pullback that we're looking at right here. And, the problem is you get these big thrusting candles. And once I zoom into the shorter time frame, we didn't have a whole lot of room to get before we got to the first swing level, about 20 odd pips, and it, clearly it made that. Taking it off the side here, your stop was 30 odd pips, so you made it up to here, your 22 pips, and stop goes to break even, and as you can see, you got taken out in your second position. Not before it traveled a nice little distance, and maybe when you are more comfortable with the strategy, you have some sort of trading methodology that you're going to use. But this is just out of the box how to trade it. It's a little bit different now. He's got some bands going on here, but this is a pretty solid price action type strategy, and all this comes with it. The indicator here, the 3 SMA setup, and the chart, the grid package, and you're just looking for some price action, and the videos highlight that very, very well. And this strategy is free. It's for now, actually. I got an email today, and it's almost going to be charged for again. Like, I paid $197 for this back in 2008, but now he's giving it away for free for now. And I'll get you that link up so you can take a quick look at it. All right, and here's the post I made, and a lot of people have already grabbed it. The strategy here, because you get your copy. And let me give you the link here, where you just click this link and you can go and view it for free, and start trading it, basically in a demo, just to get used to it. This is the website you want to go to, atradingplan.com/Hector Preview, and right at the top of that page is going to be the 3 SMA system, and that's what you're going to want to view that, and do it soon, because from the looks of it, he's going to be taking it off and be having to pay full price for it. And believe me, even at a 197, it's well worth the education you're going to get. It's actual trading education. You're not going to be a mechanical system follower. You're going to be an actual, the art of trading. And you have to put your thinking caps on. But this is old school stuff. The old school that made a lot more money than a lot of new school do. So one more thing I want to show you before we head out. All right, you're probably thinking, well, this is the chart, and yes, it is a chart. What we have down here, it's called a trend lord, and what this is going to do, I changed the colors a little bit, just 'cause I like the blue better than a salmon color. It tells you which direction to take your trades off of, and this is a MetaTrader plugin basically, and an indicator. You slap it on your chart, and well, obviously red means south, and blue means buy. It tells you the trend direction and when you want to be looking for certain directions. Like right here, for example, it was shorting all the way through here, which you can clearly see by the price action. It's a smart move to make. And once we got to here, it's all buy until you got to this red candle and it got taken out here, and the market fell for 150 odd pips. And right now, this is actually a 4-hour time frame, which is a great time frame to look for trends. Is north, and that was for the entire trading day today, U.S. session, and probably London as well. This is a GMT, so looking about 7 hours back, I think this pricing is on this chart. Even if you take a look at a 1-hour chart, it's going to give you the trend direction. So the last couple of days, the pound U.S., you can see what's happened. Moves up, sideways, basically. Move up, sideways again. But just for a little brief period, which is through here, we were looking for buying opportunities. So this is a great indicator, man, and I gotta be honest with you, it's for free. It's great. Daily chart, we can't argue with daily trends. We are all long up and through here. Obviously, you're not getting the full part of the move. Obviously, you're supposed to be getting the meat of the move, and then we go, north, then we drop south. Confirm right around here, and the market continues to drop for about 1,000 pips off a daily chart, and then build a few moves up here, and then back down again. It's kind of starting to range a little bit in here, but you get the gist. Here's the weekly chart. The week, south, just sell, and let's see what we get with the monthly chart. We got sell. Even though you get this big thrusting candle, the overall trend on the monthly pound US is sell. All right, let's just take a look at the page that you're going to be heading over to. Here it is. It's a free gift, the Trend Lord Indicator. Totally free. Just type your email address in here, and it's going to basically tell you, when a trend begins, so you can start looking for your trades. When it ends, obviously, and when it's just kind of flapping around, going side to side. This is what these are perfect. These kind of things. takes a lot of the subjectivity out of your trading. And where you're going to want to go to download this this indicator for MetaTrader only is well, right here, atradingplan.com/HectorTL. That's TL for Trend Lord. So www.atradingplan.com/HectorTL for Trend Lord, and type your email address in this box right here and grab it and hook it onto your MetaTrader. All right, thanks for watching.